Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Lady Ann is grateful to the point where she had tears of just, what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. This was a very emotional live for Lady Ann, and I know you've been around for a long time. Legend, veteran. So Queen, people in the music, they do know you. I'm talking about the fans of the music. You can never be forgotten. We know you are the one that's singing Farmer and all your other songs. So big up yourself and take it away, Queen.
Daniel Sparks, I don't know you. I don't know if you know me. But I just want to come publicly to say thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You make me cry so hard. Thank you. Daniel Speaks. Thank you. I have to come publicly to tell you this. Thank you. Thank you. I'm one of the most underrated artists in the business, who get the most fight and who they try to go south of the music industry. And for you to go and dig up this and put this together, I have to tell you thanks. Thank you. I really appreciate this. Because people who don't do their research, who don't know their facts, they come and they talk a lot of shit. But once again, Daniel, thank you. And big up yourself. Thank you for know the facts. Thank you for doing your research. And thank you for putting it out there. You made me cry so hard. I was cleaning up and I have to stop. I never cried like this in a long time. And I have to say to you, thank you. Thank you. Daniel, speak. Big up yourself. Thank you. You don't know how much this means to me. For years, they might try to keep me out. They say the worst things about me. They hold me back for years, and I just know. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you. And continue to do your research. Because it's not just me alone. You have other female too that was there with me. You have other female that was there with me. You'd have Sister Nancy. You'd have Sister Verna. You'd have Sister Fieti, Mama Liza, and Super Chick. They might never make it as big as me and Nancy and Sister Verna. But thank you. And continue to do your research. And may God bless you. Yeah, thank you again. Thank you.
All right, Queen, like I said, you don't have to say anything. You put in the work, you paved the way for so many others after you. I'll give you a line, 2, 3, maybe today. Check up on you, big up yourself, all right? People, please like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. I am Daddy Reds, and I am the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News. Wow, look like I'm getting my voice back. One love.